Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my whole YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs of crochet top blouses. Crochet top blouses ideas are used in different patterns for different stylish, different charmings, and stay will be amazing. Stay will be connected. Are you liking these stunning, these attractive and different things ideas? You will be attractive videos. Are you liking these good, charming and most stunning, most fabulous videos? Are more creative videos? You will be ideas are will be amazing. You will be stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing. Hope so. I really appreciate for newest videos, newest designs. You will be attractive things and attractive videos and charming designs of top blouses of related any pattern related to any stunning designs. Hopefully I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning, very charming and good looking designs of top blouses. Top blouses are carried with different things, different beautiful girls, beautiful and latest trendiest girls easily carry with different ideas of different things. You will be attractive and you will be good charmings. Also I really appreciate for attractive things and attractive videos. You will be ideas or will be charming designs. Hope so I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming designs. You will be attractive and stunning videos. Hope everyone likes so attractive videos and attractive designs and different things of top blouses. So let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.